I see you have an interest in the dragon cult. You are welcome here. You can call me Master. I am Krahfelniir, the cold feral hunter. This is your home now. I suggest you get comfortable. You are welcome here, child. My kin begin to thin as the dragon god hunts them down. This is most unfortunate. I have a task for you. You will go and hunt down the dragon known as Krahfelniir, for he has allied himself with the Dragonborn, and must suffer judgment. For we are descendants of Akatosh. Why would you not bow to us? We are gods. You are a fool to stand against the way of Dova, for we will outlast you. You'll toss lost. Strun Pest. Foolish worm. The world ends when I open my jaws. When the world is spared from the black wings of cold, and the skies prevail with the songs of the Dragonborn, the world will shake as the flames of ice scorch its life. Only then may Nirn be pure.